Now, another thing Assertive Yield is doing is that it is using machine learning to predict certain information which is not available in real time. Think, for example, of the revenue information from pretty much most of our partners. We can only get it after a couple of hours, sometimes only after a day. So what Assertive Yield is doing is that, in most cases, it is predicting the amount of revenue they are generating. It is using machine learning, which is training on an hourly basis. It is using all the last 7 days of data so that it has a full understanding of every kind of weekday and performance at the different hours of the day. And of course, it takes into account things like the operating system, the browser, the country device type, the hour of the day, how long, how deep the user's into a session, like how many ads he has already seen, what kind of content this user is looking at, all of this information. But it is also using information from the partners via basically bid information available.